In this video, we will be discussing how to add text to your presentation, some of the PowerPoint's format options, and how to embed fonts into your presentation. Let's start with adding text. You can add text to your presentation two ways. Text can be added in the normal view and by using the drawing toolbar method. To add text to a slide in the normal view, simply click on any text box you currently see on the slide, like this. If there are no text boxes or you need to add another one, you can do that from the drawing toolbar. The drawing toolbar is usually located along the bottom of your screen. If you do not see it, you may need to turn it on. View, Toolbars, Drawing. To add text using the drawing toolbar, move the cursor over the text box icon and click. Then move the cursor to the location on your slide where you would like to add text. Then click and drag to the width you want. The height will automatically adjust while you type, so you don't have to worry about that. The text cursor should appear inside the text box, letting you add whatever text you'd like. You can adjust the properties of the text you're adding using the formatting tool, located here. The formatting toolbar allows you to work with text in an easy way. Let's take a look at some of the features in formatting toolbar. Like many word processing programs, you can use formatting toolbar to adjust the font, the size, the style, the alignment, and the color of your text. You might have noticed that when you created the last text box, it came up with a default text and font. To choose a default, just click on the text box button, and before you click anywhere else, change the font settings. Now click and drag a new text box, and if you create another one, you will see the default has been changed. To make changes to existing text, there are basically two approaches. Change all the text in the text box, or just a few parts. To change all the text, first, click once on the text in the box and you will see the box outline, like this. Then click on the outline itself and it'll change to look like this. Now, whatever you do will affect the whole box, so we can change all this to bold, like this. If you just want to change select pieces of text within a text block, then click in the area where you would like to make the changes and either double-click, triple-click, or drag over the text you would like to select. Changes you make will now apply only to the text selected. If you click anywhere within a text box to place your text cursor and then change the text format settings, this is what will happen when you begin typing. The changes will apply, but will only affect the new text you enter. If you are not familiar with all the functions of the text formatting toolbar, then you should step through each before going on. We'll go through most of them very quickly. Bold, italics, underline, shadow, align left, center, right, distribute, change text directions, number bullets, and symbol bullets. A special note about fonts. Fonts may appear, but if someone opened your file on another computer, your presentation may not look the same because the other person may not have the same fonts installed on their computer. In order to maintain the appearance of the fonts, you might want to embed the fonts in your presentation, which is sort of like giving the file instructions to take those fonts with it wherever it gets moved and saved. Embedding fonts will increase the size of the file though, so keep that in mind. Only do it if you're using some rather odd font that you don't think will be on another computer. This is an especially good thing to do if you're sending a presentation to somewhere unknown. To embed the fonts, click File on the menu bar and select Save As when the dialog box appears. Click on Tools in the top right corner, select Save Options, and click Embed True Type Fonts. Well, that about wraps it up for text. text wraps. Get it? That's a font joke. Keep up the good work.